Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to solve one of the CSSE questions which came 2023 question number 18. Yeah, so CSSE 2023 and the question number 18 part 1. Okay, so the question says this question is about four positive numbers A, B, C, and D. So this question is about four positive number A, B, C, D. You are not told the value of these numbers, but you are told that they obey these rules. So let me read again. So the question say about four positive numbers, the numbers A, B, C, D. Okay, they haven't told you about the value of A, B, C, D. Okay, but they say, but you are told that they obey these rules. So what are the rules? The rules say number one is A equal to B plus 3, and rule number 2 is C equal to 3B, and the rule number 3 is D equal to B square. So they haven't told the number, okay, but told you about the rules, okay, which they follow. So A equal to B plus 3, C equal to 3B, and the D equal to B square, okay. So the part 1 is says what? It says 3A minus C. So very simple, okay. So if you know about the formula substitutions of the values, so you can solve easily. Very simple. We know about this is the formula they're given, okay. So 3A minus C. The first step, we go back for the rule and see what is equal to A, okay. It says A equal to B plus 3. So we need to simply substitute the value of A here, okay. So it means 3. So instead of A, I'm going to putting the value of A, which is B plus 3, and minus C, and the C equal to what? Equal to, instead of C, I'm going to substitute the value 3B. So now look at that. I multiply with this bracket with 3. So 3B plus 3 times 3 is what? 9, and minus 3B. Look at this one. This is minus 3B, and this is 3B means plus 3B. So I'm going to cancel 3B cancel with minus 3B. So it means the value of this formula 3A minus C equal to 9. So the answer for the part 1 is 9. Come to the part B, okay? And the part B is says what? Part B says C divided by A minus 3. Very simple. Again, what did the rule says? Rule says A equal to B plus 3, C equal to 3B, and D equal to B square. So what you're going to do it, wherever the C, instead of writing C, you need to go back for the rules and just substitute its value, which is C equal to 3B. Instead of C, I'm going to write 3B. And it says divide. I put the divide sign, and then bracket is A equal to B plus 3. So B plus 3, and then minus 3. So now I'm going to rewrite this phrase 3B divided by B plus 3 minus 3. So look at this one, plus 3 cancel with minus 3. Okay, this B cancel with this B, so the remaining number is 3. So the part B answer is 3. Now we are going to move the part 3, and the part 3 is what? Part 3 it says A, B minus C minus D. So this is part 3. Okay, so let me reuse this one. Okay, it's a space, you don't have a space, so what we're going to do it. Okay, so A, B minus C, D. So exactly the same way you need to do it. Instead of A, you need to put the value of A, which is B plus 3, and then put the B as it is. Okay, minus C, the value of C is 3B, and the value of D is B square. Look at this one. So B multiply this bracket, so it's become B square plus 3B and minus 3B minus B square, and look at this is B square means plus B square, this is a minus B square, cancel, plus 3B minus 3B. So the answer is 0. So the part C answer is 0. So this is very interesting question. Okay, so which came CSSE 2023 question number 18, and there are 3 parts. They given the rule. Okay, how to substitute the value. Very simple, very easy. Don't be confused. Okay, you just simply put the value of A, C and D. Okay, according to the question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Okay, the first one is the first one is 3A minus C. So I substitute the value of A and C and work out and found the answer 9. And the second one part is C divided by A minus 3. So I put the value of C, instead of C I put 3B and the value of A and work out, and the answer is 3. And the last one is also very easy. Just simply substitute the value of A, C and D, work out. Okay, and the value is 0. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, so if you like this video, please share with family, friends, and also subscribe my channel. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.